with Jamaica's non-playing captain, as they say in Davis Cup, Mel Spence. Mel, well, you know, when you reach the pre-match press conference, you know, that means it's all that's left is the match. Your thoughts on you know, the mood, the guys. We just saw John Chin joining you at the press conference. That must have given you a kind of lift to know that he's here to at least share this moment with you guys. Your thoughts on going into tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm happy that I have most, if not all, the players here now. Where it's a light, happy day. I mean, we're gonna practice hard, yes, but I want to keep the blood flowing, and I want these guys to be relaxed today. Tomorrow is going to be pressure packed, which is fine. As I said, I think pressure is just energy, and it's what we're going to do with that energy. We're going to turn it into something great or not, and I think we're going to turn it into something very good.
Just in the nick of time, you flew in to be here just for this event. Your thoughts on your preparations coming and how you feel you'll do in this tie?
Me personally, I've been playing some good tennis recently. You know, came into the new year with some good results in the pro events. So, yeah, I'm happy with the way I'm playing, and you know, the rest of the team is playing very well too. So, I mean, we have good depth in the team. We're ready for the challenge.
Like I said to the other guys, that we have to give our best, and it's not going to be easy tomorrow.
Okay, your thoughts on your team, and is everybody ready? What's the mood like among the guys right now, knowing that there's just a couple hours to go?
Yeah, the mood is good. We have all played a lot of tennis matches before, so it's nothing new to us. So yeah, we're ready.
I think from an organizational point of view, exceptional. Personally, I look forward to a first-class event. The venue is going to be looking spectacular. It's nice seeing John get in. Good news, I hear Blaze caught an earlier flight, so he will be in within the hour. I'm sure he'll join our guys for the afternoon session. I know they're rearing to go, and I just think at this point, Coach Spencer said keep them focused. I know that we'll be certainly ready to go come 3 p.m. tomorrow.